aviation enthusiasts. This is Professor Avram Aerospace, and Good to Know in Aviation. Today, we are going to continue our discussion about Aircraft Operational Reliability System, and reference document is FAA Advisory Circular AC 120-17, Reliability Program Methods, Standards for Determining Time Limitations. Chapter 5, Analysis and Recommendation. Section 5.1.1, Techniques and Tools. Shortly, this section includes examples of analytical techniques and tools that may be used for the performance standard root cause analysis that was discussed in the previous videos. Now, let's move to the next slide and describe these analytical techniques and tools.
Number 1. Comparisons of operational data types from internal and external sources. Number 2. Interpretation of data type trends. Number 3. Evaluation of repetitive defects, including no fault found, rogue units, chronic systems, and aircraft. Number 4. Confidence testing of expected and achieved results. Number 5. Studies of lifespans and survival characteristics. Number 6. Investigative testing or sampling programs. Number 7. Structural review/analysis. Number 8. Weibull analysis. Number 9. Pareto analysis. Number 10, failure mode and effects analysis. Number 11, maintenance steering group analysis methods. And number 12, other root cause analysis tools. And this is the short list of the analytical techniques and tools that may be used for the performance standard root cause analysis.
Again, thank you very much for watching our videos. Please support us. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Buy our books about aviation reliability, which now available on Amazon.com. We are planning to have a lot of interesting contents on aircraft reliability, aircraft safety, etc. Again, thank you very much for your support. See you next time. Bye.